Mangabe kubhlungu my brother, khala. Yabona nje makubhlungu ubokhala bafu. Yabona lento yokuthi indoda ayikhali ifela ngaphakathi. Iwamoshile amadoda amaningi ene iyona nto eyenza ukuthi kwabona laba banga understand ukuthi indoda ubani. Baqhubeke bakusho lokho ukuthi indoda ayikhali. Bephushele amadoda ekutheni angakhali makubhlungu, as if you don't have emotions, as if you don't feel pain, as if you're not human enough. And ilento abayisebenzisayo bagcine bengakhoni ukuzwa ubuhlungu bendoda nokuzwela indoda ngoba kuthiwa indoda ingakhali kumele ingakhombisa ubuhlungu. Lento le yenza ukuthi amadoda amaningi mayese inhlungwini bungabona ubuhlungu bendoda, bungazwiwa ngabantu ubuhlungu bendoda, even family, even umuntu osukuthandana naye ngaleso sikhathi, or the society at large, because kulindeleke ukuthi umuntu wesilisa abe tough even when things are hard and ziyamlimaza, kumele abe tough. Indoda is tough, my brother. Wonke umuntu unayo into ye toughness, because kumele sibe strong empilweni. Kodwa mangabe kunezinto ezikuhlukumezayo, akufanelanga ukuthi ube tough ezintweni ezikuhlukumezayo, akufanelanga ukuthi ube tough ezintweni ezikuhlupha ngaphakathi. Leyo ukuthi indoda ayikhali, nanokuthi mangabe izinto zingahambi kahle or uzwa ukuthi kubhlungu somewhere, umoya wakho ubhlungu, ukuthi ungamemeza ukhale, you're not okay emotionally, udlala ingoma lapha uthi kuzoba ngcono ungakhulumi namuntu, mfowethu uyazilimaza. The more uthi uzama ukuba strong, the more uzilimaza, because you were fooled ukuthi ungakhali makubhlungu. Mfowethu makunento ekukhathazayo khuluma ngayo, and makunento ethi khipha inyembezi zikhiphe. Ukukhala kusikukhipha inyembezi kuphela, ukukhala ukuthi makunento ongayizwa kahle usho, makunobhlungu obukhona usho, makunento engakuphathi kahle ibonakalise ubhlungu bakho ungabuvaleli ngaphakathi. Because amadoda amaningi a-actor strong, umbona umuntu noma epost video adlala ingoma, le ngoma ayidlalayo uyayizwa iyakhuluma, yazini uyayizwa ukuthi iyakhuluma, and it tells you ukuthi lo muntu is going through something lo empilweni njengamanje, you know, something so painful and enzima and hard and so on and so forth and heavy, you know, but akakhuluma. Ulalele le ngoma ku background uyayizwa iposta leyo video uthulile seyidlulile kanjalo, you know, 1 2 3 uzwe ukuthi umuntu uthathe impilo yakhe lapha ngaphandle. Akusukuzenza strong lokho, akusuku ukuthi u strong, you know, you ungayimela bafowethu. We are human beings, and when God created us, he created also sabangabantu aba-emotional nama emotions. And the fact that a man is physically strong and emotionally weak makes it even worse. Uma ngabe kunento ekulimazayo izokulimaza, because udaleke kanjalo awukwazi ukumanipulate ama-feelings wakho wena njengendoda. Amadoda wakhona ukulokhuza ukuqamba amanga kuma-emotions wow, you know, that's how we are. We can't lie about how we feel and how, you know, how it feels, whatever that we feel. So awukwazi ukuthi wenze something different than that. Bafowethu, uma kunento ekulimazayo ungayivaleli ngaphakathi, the more you act strong and the more you act tough, you are breaking, my brother. You are breaking your mind, you are breaking your emotions, your heart, you are breaking your back, your body, you are breaking your cells inside of you. You are breaking yourself apart. You are destroying yourself. Ungavaleli izinto, ngoba ukuzivalela kwakho uyazilimaza uyazilimaza, and unfortunately angeke limale wena kuphela, kulimala nabantu abasempilweni yakho, abaseduze nawe, nabantu ophilisana nabo. Uyibona lento nala emgwaqweni ngama-road rage la, umuntu ukwatile but usemotweni, udriver yi-1, angry ukwatile imoto nayo yayibona ukuthi iyahlukunyezwa le moto kuba iyakhuluma ngabe iyabaleka makathi uza nekhi isuka ihambe izihambele before ayigibela lazo idrive because abanye bakwatile one mistake umuntu onjalo ozama ukuba tough nokuba strong noma ezwa ukuthi kunento emhluphayo mangathi wakhona iargument esukayo noma impi esuka endlini ila khona umuntu enza into azisola sekayenzile ukuthi ishi ngenze wrong. You understand? Izona zinto ezenza ukuthi abantu besilisa bagcine bazithola sebenamacala nabo bangeke bakhona umuntu angakhona ukuchaza why did you do this akasazi ukuthi athini. Bafethu, we are human beings like everyone is. When it hurts, it hurts. When you are happy, you are happy. If there is anything ekuphatha kabi ungafihli lokho khuluma ingakho ihila ndoda ila ikhaya lenu leli si organization eyenzelwe nina ukuthi makunento ekuhluphayo ukhulume. Thatha advantage yalo ukuthi makunento ekuhluphayo ukhulume. We are here for that. We are here to hear your pain. We are here to make you to be able to talk. Not just to make you to be able to talk, but to make you to feel free to talk. You know, to feel free. It's not wrong for you to talk. It's not bad for you to talk. It's not something that says you are weak for you to talk. We want you to heal from that which you can't, tell, people are out there abaseduze kwakho ngoba bazokujudge istigma vele sihamba nathi kuba ngamadoda. Wakhuluma kuhlekwa ngawe kuhletshwa ngawe kwenziwani. Kubantu abaziyo. That is why we are professionally here for that. Take advantage of it. Reach out to us. Let us talk to you. Let us help you. We have our 24-hour line and immediately corner. We still encourage men to buy books so that bazokwazi ukuthi babhale istory sabo, body, mind and soul. Yonke into ubhale indlela ofila ngayo, ubhale yonke into abantwana bakho amagama, yonke into ekulimazayo nengakulimazanga ubhale about you. Sine plan ngale ncwadi. So ileyo message engayisho namhlanje kwi-Monday. Siyazi ukuthi no one said life will be easy. But it does not mean that if life is tough, you have to be tough even when it hurts you. You must be able to talk. Ngahambe ngaleyo analogy izokulimaza leyo nto leyo. Ngoba nemoto maseyiphelelwe ipetrol noma ngabe itough kangakanani iyacima endleleni until uzufake ipetrol uzoyibona ubustrong bayo. But wena ufuna ukugijima wire ube tough wire without even thinking for yourself. Even the toughest machines that have ever been built in the world, at a certain point when they don't have oil, as tough as they are, they stop working. If they don't have diesel, if they don't have petrol, they stop working until you pour that and get that and fix it. You won't see their toughness and what they are made and created of. But once you take care of that, they begin to function well because they have been renewed and so on and so forth. What makes you different from that? Why would you think that when day in and day out uzobu tough when tough awunyaka strong wena ukhona umuntu wakwaba strong lokazalwa ustrong namhlanje nakusasa ayikho into enjalo bafowethu ukuzilimaza lokho and ihila ndoda is here ukuthi ukwazi ukukhuluma so that sizokwazi ukukusiza mfethu. Akekho umuntu wakwaba tough forever, ayikaze bakhona into enjalo bafethu. Singazodlala kabuhlungu ngempilo zethu kanje.